Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel, Quartioli Cooking Family, where we try to make easy, delicious cooking for all ages. Today we will show you how to make easy homemade chicken nuggets. In a bowl, place your breadcrumbs and in you want to start adding some herbs. The herbs are completely optional and you can use whatever herb you like. Then you want to grab your grated cheese and put it in the mix with the breadcrumbs. And then with your hands, start to mix it. You want to make sure that the cheese doesn't clump. So you want to kind of break it with your hands and just make sure that it's not clumpy at all, because otherwise it will be harder to put on the chicken nuggets. Breadcrumbs are ready, get your chicken breast and start to cut it. You want to cut it in squares, but you don't want it to be too thick or too thin, because this could change the temperature and how long you need to cook it for, so you need to make sure they are medium-sized squares. We have cut our chicken breast. We want to grab a brush, a cooking brush or a new painting brush, and you want to start adding your oil on top. Generously put it on top because this will help it stick to the breadcrumbs, and cover the top, and once you've done that, flip them over and cover the bottom as well. Prepare a pan with baking paper and grab a little bit of your chicken, or a couple pieces or one at a time, and start to crumb the top and the bottom using your fingers to help you. You want to make sure that it is not too covered to the point where you can't see the chicken anymore, but you want it to be completely covered so that it's going to cook and you won't have just some chicken staying there without any breadcrumbs on top, because that is the coating. That is the good part. Coated all of your chicken nuggets, dribble on a little bit of olive oil and put them in your preheated 180-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Keep an eye on them. And there you go, the easiest lunch, delicious, scrumptious lunch idea. So alla prossima, buon appetito e buona Pasqua. Ciao! Happy Easter!